and a business would hear, we did exactly what we said we were going to do. We exceeded their expectation in the implementation, and they love our consultants. You talk with anybody and they would say, I love that individual that worked, and I would hire them. Our consultants get too many job offers for me to feel comfortable.
Experiencing an implementation with Eide Bailly is really more like working with a guide than a Sherpa. We want to come alongside you, we want to guide you, we want to show you what's coming down the path as you're doing your implementation. We want to talk about the different ways you can implement. NetSuite has 100 ways of doing something, and so we try to walk you through which way is going to be the best for you. And that really takes a lot of consulting, a lot of questions, a lot of interviewing. So we're not behind you saying, how can we help you? And just let us know how we can help. We're really next to you, guiding you through it, saying, okay, this is what you need to consider next, and have you thought about this? And a year from now, you're going to encounter this, and how do you want this to look? And so it's really leading you through it. Hopefully we know what you don't know, and we can see it coming and help you make those choices to make a better implementation.
It takes a very unique person to be an implementation consultant. The analogy I like to use is kind of like dodgeball. You're going to put that individual in front of the wall, and there are going to be 10 people throwing anything and everything at them, and they have to kind of be able to answer questions. So we go from order to cash and from procure to pay, and our consultants are the best, and they're the experts at those processes and making sure that it's really all inclusive of operations, and that their information system is being automated. I think what makes us really different would be that we take the total part of the engagement. As I look at our competitors or our peers in the marketplace, they would typically have a strength that would be maybe an order entry, and maybe do one little aspect of an ERP would be inclusive of manufacturing, inclusive of wholesale distribution, inclusive of financial reporting, inclusive of CRM. So what Eide Bailly would do is they would have breadth and depth of the whole system, not just aspects of it or not just strength. That would be really the difference of Eide Bailly.